Hey friends, I am back today with a video that I have not done in a while. It is a Walmart grocery haul plus a baby boy clothing haul as well from Walmart. So get excited because I'm excited and I think it's gonna be really, really good. So let's get into it. Hi guys, my name's Corina. If you're new here, I love to shop at Walmart. I feel like you can save so much money there. You really get the best bang for your buck. They have great quality, and I really like that you can get things for your home, you get things for your family, clothes, all kind of stuff. So today, my husband and I actually went to the store. I did not do grocery pickup, which I know is a big shocker because I always do grocery pickup and my husband picks the groceries up for me while I'm at work. And we didn't do that today because we have a busy day tomorrow. So I decided to go ahead and get the grocery shopping out of the way tonight, which is Thursday, and that way my husband could have the day just to relax or do stuff with our son on Friday rather than going to pick up the groceries. So let's go ahead and get into this grocery haul, guys. I'm also going to be sharing with you our meal plan for this week. For those of you who don't know, my husband and I did just start Weight Watchers about 3 weeks ago, so we'll be going into our 4th week with the meals that I'm going to prep this weekend. And yeah, this week has been really hard. Side note, this week has been really tough Weight Watchers because we went to an apple orchard last weekend and we just had kind of like a free-for-all, a little bit of a weekend. We had our nieces and nephews over, and so we just ate a lot of like stuff that we would have eaten before starting Weight Watchers. And getting back on the program and everything has been really tough, but we're determined, we're excited. So let's go ahead and get into what we picked up at the grocery store and also our son's clothes because I'm really excited about that. All right, guys, so first things first, my friends. If you have not seen our video on how I meal plan in 5 minutes or less, I'll have a video linked right up here that you can check out. It's gonna be super helpful and it's what I use and I love for our family. We're super busy and so it's just so handy to have that ready to go. So the meal plan for this week, we're gonna do teriyaki salmon on Monday. Tuesday, we're gonna have salsa chicken tacos. Wednesday will be a crock pot potato soup. Thursday, we're gonna have leftovers. Thursday is always our leftover day because we have plenty of leftovers from the first 3 days of the week. Friday is pizza day, which we always have pretty much every week. Saturday, we're gonna do burgers and fries. We have some turkey burgers in the freezer, and then Sunday will be meatballs and pasta. And then for breakfast this week, I've been prepping our breakfast ahead of time because we're busy, and with doing Weight Watchers, we wanna get like low point breakfasts. So I have these pancake bites that are 1 point per pancake bite, so I'm gonna make those and eggs. Well, the eggs will probably just do like the morning of because that's when they're the best. And then lunches, I'm gonna do grilled chicken salads for myself. I have a teriyaki one and a just like kind of field green salad that I really like, and then teriyaki bowls for my husband. So that will be teriyaki chicken with lots of veggies, so bell peppers and broccoli, stuff like that, and then a little bit of rice as well because he has more points than I do, so he can have rice in his lunches. So that's the meal plan for this week. Again, be sure to check out the meal planning video if you haven't. And let's talk about the groceries. Hey guys, if you're interested in seeing any of these recipes that I've shared in our meal plan, let me know in a comment down below and I will make sure to make that happen. All right, let's get into the grocery haul. All right, so one thing on Weight Watchers is that we have been going through a ton of eggs. So I've literally bought 36 eggs basically every week. At Sam's Club, we bought 60 eggs at the beginning of the month and went through them in like a week and a half. So lots of eggs, but that's okay. So we have 2 containers of 18 count eggs. We have 1 gallon of milk for our son. We did get some salmon. This isn't just enough basically for one dinner for my husband and I, but it is fresh it's fresh Atlantic salmon. So there's that. We're gonna have that one night, which I'm super excited about. And then I got a bunch of chicken. So this is about 10 pounds total because I got 2 packages, but we're gonna need chicken for lunches and we also need chicken for a couple of dinners. So that will be plenty. And then what I do is I fillet them and I put them in bags in the freezer. So in like smaller portions. So I'll fillet them all and put them in like with 3 breasts per bag or something like that. So it's essentially like half of the package. And that helps to not only make it last longer and so you don't use up a ton of meat, more than like you need, but it gives you the best bang for your buck because you're buying a good portion. So anyway, moving on. We've got 2 red bell peppers, a thing of romaine lettuce, a head of red cabbage, and these sliced green onions. I know I could do them myself, but I was just feeling lazy and this seemed pretty convenient. And then I did get some feta cheese to add to my salads. I got this thick and chunky salsa. This is gonna be for our salsa chicken for our tacos. And then I also picked up some chili. This is mainly just to put in the pantry to have for like really easy meals. It's 3 points for 1 cup serving, which is about half of a can. Yeah, 1 cup, and there's 2 servings. So that's half of a can, and that is a really good like dinner for us, like a quick, easy meal. We could do like a low-carb tortilla and some cheese for a quesadilla on the side, and then have that chili, and that would be really good and really easy. And then I did get a cream of chicken soup, just 1 can for our potato soup that we're gonna make. Some tortillas. These are 3 points for 2 tortillas, but I kind of wanted crunchy tacos this week, so instead of the soft tacos that we've been using. And then we did get some rice. We use this pretty sparingly, especially on Weight Watchers, because it is pretty high in points. But my husband, he kind of configures his, like, I'll make it and he'll figure out how many points he wants to use for rice, and he'll add it to his meal prep bowls. Then I did get this veggie spaghetti, which we've never tried. It's kind of high in points, I think. It's basically the same as like regular pasta, but I thought it'd be nice to try that and get some extra veggies in. And then the holy grail. Okay, so these are for our pancake bites. So this is Kodiak Cakes waffle or pancake mix. And you basically use this and then you add some Fruity Pebbles in them to make them like confetti pancake bites. So I thought that sounded so good. I love Fruity Pebbles. They're my favorite cereal from when I was a kid. So I thought that'd be super fun and just a really good, yummy, easy breakfast to pull out. And then you can dip them in like sugar-free syrup if you want. Yeah, and that's it. And like I said, we're gonna have eggs on the side, so that will keep me excited about breakfast, I think. And then this mixed fruit in juice. This is for Elias. He's really been liking these. So we have some in the fridge right now, but I wanted to get a couple or just 1 more pack because he's eating them pretty consistently right now, which is great. And then I did get this pack of salad toppers. This was probably a little pricey, and I probably didn't really need it, but this picture right here just made it look so good. And we have apples right now. I got feta cheese, so I just thought, oh, that sounds amazing. My favorite thing is this salad dressing. It is so good. It's pretty high in points, I'll be honest. It's like 5 points for 2 tablespoons, which is a lot. So I would probably use like half of that or less than half for my salad, but it's sweet and it's so good. I love this with grilled chicken, and then you do usually do pecans and cranberries in my salad with this and the chicken. It's literally so good. I never get tired of it. It's so delicious. And then I also got this garlic and ginger dressing as well. I decided not to make my own just because it's so much cheaper to just buy one and deal with the points than to get all the ingredients to make your own. Even though I know my own would probably last like longer, the ingredients you'd have, you know, it available to make more, but I just didn't feel like it tonight. It just seemed overwhelming. And then we got 2 things of gum, one for my hubby, one for me. Okay, so here we are with Elias's clothes. Over here, I'll just give you a quick overview of what we got. And he needed some 2T kind of long sleeve items. So he did need some jammies. So these are 2 sets of jammies, just top and bottom long sleeves. And these guys. And I usually like to get his clothes at like the thrift store, or I just use hand-me-downs, but he's out of 2T items. And that's really where he is right now. And he's in that weird transition between like baby sizes and toddler sizes. So the 24-month stuff that we have is too short on him now. So we had to move into 2Ts. So anyway, we got 4 pairs of pants. These are nice, like sweat pant material. They're gonna be really good for these colder months that we're going into. So we got a camo pair, this like gray kind of marble pair. We got a pair of black because you can never go wrong with a pair of black sweats. And then this is a navy blue kind of marled color as well. Super fun. And then all the tops are long sleeve. So this is just a stripe with these different kind of gradient on red. We did get a camo long sleeve. This one is super cute. It has these sweet little like racing stripe arms and then dinos with different little accessories. They're so precious. These ones I'm really excited about. These are little Henleys and they have a hood. They're so cute. I think I love him in a hood. They're gonna be super, super cute. We did get a solid black one, just again, plain long sleeve. And we got the same kind of Henley style in a maroon and like an oatmeal color. This one's like kind of like a gray, like a light gray, and this one with the green is like an oatmeal, so hopefully you can see the difference there. But all of his long sleeve tops, the more like kind of fancier ones, were $4.50. The plain long sleeves were $3.50. All of his pants were $4.50. And then the jammies were like $4.80. So like less than $5. Oh, sorry, $4.97. Okay, I was close. Less than $5 still. So super good for his clothes to get him his little wardrobe rounded out. So there you go. Alright, so that's our grocery haul for today. I hope that you've enjoyed it and it's given you some inspiration and reason to stop in at your local Walmart. I'm gonna get all this stuff put away and relax for a little bit because Mama's work is rarely done, but it is done today. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so that you can see more videos just like this that I share each and every week. I'll talk to you soon, friends. Bye-bye.